Hello friends, this is Candy with the Candy Foot Club, and tonight I am making a super frugal supper, and I just wanted to remind you that you do not have to have extravagant meals all of the time. You can have very simple meals and get the job done with your family and still make them happy. So today I am just taking some bread that I got at Aldi. Do you shop at Aldi? Let me know in the comments. And I am going to use up, I have some cold meat, some ham, and some cheese left over from Judy's wedding. My daughter just got married, and I'm trying to work on using up those leftovers instead of having it go to waste. So we're going to start out by buttering up my bread, because life is better with butter, right? So I'm just going to butter my bread. Now I have heard that some people use mayonnaise, but like I said, life is better with butter. So we're going to butter one side on each piece of bread. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches. And then I'm going to take a couple pieces of the ham and just going to put it on like that. See that? And then 2 pieces of cheese, and the ham, the bread, the butter, the cheese, everything was purchased at Aldi. Super amazing prices at Aldi. And I'm going to top them. The butter, the first butter went down, the second butter is going to go up. In case you've never made a grilled cheese sandwich before. So next we're just going to come over to my wood cook stove. Let me turn a light on here and check the fire. It looks great. I love that. It's getting cool here in the North Country. What is your weather like? Then I'm just going to throw my stainless steel pan right on there. So let's check these and see how they're doing. Oh, look at that. It is golden brown. It is gorgeous. I can't wait for supper. And then the second one, here we go. Look at that. Almost done. Okay, grilled cheese is done. I'm just bringing it over. And then I'm going to grab it and put it on a plate here. I'm going to try these pizza shears, kitchen shears. They're actually for my pizza so that my pizza stone doesn't get scratched, but let's try it with the grilled cheese. Doesn't it look great? I love to cook on the wood stove. Do you guys ever cook with wood? Oh, and look at that. Nice and cheesy. I got a piece of ham in there. And this is going to be dinner. So if you want, you could add some tomato soup. I'm just going to add a handful of potato chips because, like I said, we are working through the leftover groceries from Judy's wedding. And this is going to be a meal. You could add some fruit. You could add some pickles, but you don't have to get extravagant. This is good enough. This is Candy with the Candy Foot Club.